So let's proceed with our first experiment, the experiment of the power of bubbles, the effect of catalyst on chemical reaction rate. So the first procedure is to prepare 2 empty bottles, and I've already labeled them. So the first bottle is, we're going to put it with yeast, and this is the without yeast. So the second procedure is to put 2 teaspoonfuls of sugar to each of the bottles. 2 teaspoonfuls of sugar in the bottles. Don't mind the mess. And to put yeast, like 3 teaspoonfuls of dry yeast to this bottle. So we're going to put 3 teaspoons of powdered yeast. So yan, gonna mix it a little bit. And we're going to pour hot water. Warm water to it. I'm going to put warm water. We have to put warm water to it. Yan. Then we have our warm water here. We're going to put it. Halfway through. After that, we're going to put a balloon on each. Put a balloon. We're going to put a balloon. Now we'll wait for 30 minutes to see the reaction. Using yeast, sugar, and water, it creates a chemical reaction which produces carbon dioxide. Yeast needs to be in something moist and warm in order to be activated. Adding and placing it in warm water is the first step. As yeast continues to react, it converted the sugar into carbon dioxide gas. And this gas was trapped into a balloon, making it inflate. The bottle without the yeast still remained the same because the reaction of it didn't create any carbon dioxide gas. So for today's experiment, we'll be using matchsticks, candles, warm water, and so we'll soak our matchsticks in ice water and normal temperature water. We'll just soak it for 1 minute. 1 minute. And then after soaking it for a minute, we'll be lighting it up, both of the matchsticks, to see how the temperature changes the properties of the matchstick and how will it light up. So it's been 1 minute. So after a minute, place both the matchsticks above the candle to see how it ignites. First, remove any excess water. The matchstick soaked in water lights up the same. Based on my observations, temperature is an important factor here. The rate of chemical reactions generally increases at high temperatures. A normal temperature matchstick lit up like usual. And compared to the previous one, the cold water dipped matchstick, on the other hand, reacted much faster when it's placed on heat. If the temperature is increasing, both kinetic energies of the matchstick are increasing as well. Therefore, the rate of chemical reaction generally increases with its increasing temperature, resulting in a much faster rate of chemical reaction.